Welcome. In this video I will show you how to set custom wallpaper and adjust blur effect on HONOR X7d. To apply a custom wallpaper to your smartphone, you have to perform a pinch gesture on your home screen like this. Then tap on wallpaper icon in the bottom left corner of the screen, and then to apply a custom wallpaper, tap on the set wallpaper option you see right here, and you can choose either a wallpaper from your gallery, one of the official wallpapers, or select more and choose one of the available wallpapers from the list. Once you select the wallpaper, tap download, then apply, then select which screen you want to apply your wallpaper to, and to set the blur level, tap on the blur icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. And to change the blur level, you have to first enable the blur by switching this toggle to the right, and then adjust the level by moving this slider either to the left to decrease the blur effect, or to the right to increase it. Once you're happy with the result, you have to tap done and wait until your wallpaper is set. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.